Day 29, 1981, CB750. Today was paint, and it went really well. We laid down the Firemist Pewter from Restoration Shop. It's a single stage acrylic enamel. It is phenomenal. It laid down like butter, and holy smoke, that's a lot of sparkle, flake, whatever you want to call it. There's a lot of it. Bike looks great. You know, I'm going to try to take the seat to the upholsterer tomorrow, no later than Thursday. Get the seat back. We are still planning on doing that black stripe down the middle of the tank, kind of with the contour lines of the tank in the center. And here's a look. These are the contour lines that I'm talking about. Gonna send that black stripe right down the tank line there. Side covers turned out great. We've got those badges that are gonna go on there. Really optimistic about that. And there's the bike hiding out in the background, looking good. 29 days, about 130 hours or so at this point. Looking really good. Looking forward to getting the seat upholstered. Looking forward to getting the grips in and a battery, and this bike is done.